How do we turn this to this? Oh yeah. Stay tuned to find out. Well, so we're on our way to go pick up another set of freaking rims. We picked up a set for this Jeep Liberty. So we're on our way now to go pick up these 20-inch rims. They look better than the original ones that I bought, but yeah, I'm hoping everything's gonna work out with this one. I'm gonna sell the other ones. Gotta just freshen them up. So yeah, we're on our way now. Got about an hour drive or so. Stay tuned, then we'll put the rims on and we will go for a drive and see how she does and get this baby ready and polished up. Putting those on. So I'm gonna give it a quick polish. Had some deep scratches. This one came out okay. See right here, a little buff right here, some buff, and these two beauties here. So we're gonna give this a touch up. I'm gonna put these wheels on. Let's see if I can show this. What we have here is a 2008 Jeep Liberty Sport. This one's for sale. Wasn't selling. It's only got 60,000 miles, original miles, clean title. Yeah, this one's not selling. So I was like, what can I do to improve? I know the market's down and everything, but it's got to be somebody that wants a nice little family SUV all-wheel drive. So I threw these rims on there, these 20s. Alright, cleaned everything up, made it look good. Actually look pretty good. Look pretty damn good. Look like a different vehicle. Yeah, this one's for sale, guys. If you guys are interested, we're located in Western Massachusetts. This is for sale. AC works, heat works. I believe the only thing this thing needs is a tip 'em, but it does run and drive. I took it 200 something miles yesterday to get these tires and rims. No problem. Tranny shift. We did the differential on it. It's got the good brakes, rotors on it. Cold AC. Yeah, this thing's super nice. Interior is all intact. Just got to detail it. But yeah, yeah, this came out better than I thought. 2008 Jeep Liberty Sport. If you're in Massachusetts, this will pass inspection. It's got the traction control light on and the air light on because, you know, the tires and rims. And if you replace the tip 'em, from what I understand, that should be it. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to clean her up and send it like this and give it at a good price. And because there's just too many projects, man. Too many projects going on. He just needs to go. Yeah, so this is just a tip of, like, if you're selling cars or flipping cars or what have you, just changing the rims, man, will give it that look. And wow, way different, way better. Just got a detailer buffer and she's off to the races. And more content coming up for the Honda. We went yesterday, picked up this door from a buddy of mine. This door is like brand new, man. So we decided, actually you guys decided that we're painting it, so we're painting it. Then we got these rims for sale. These were gonna go on the Jeep, but there's two rims bent, missing cap. I can't find brand on this, so yeah, this has got to go. Just gonna sell it, recoup my money. These are going in that from the parts CP3 I had. These are gonna go on that new Civic that we just inquired. And I want to get the Jeep out of the way so I can get back to this because I want to paint it. Like, it's so close. It's so close. I want to paint it, and this is going to be such a nice build. And we'll see, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.